Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Nokk from Disney's Frozen. So let's get started. To draw this awesome magical water horse, let's start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that kind of goes up. And from there I'm going to draw a curve right underneath, a deeper curve, and connect it. And I'm just going to come in here and shade it in. Maybe I just shade it all black. There. From there, now let's come back to where you started this curve right here and come right next to it, right on the top. And we're going to start to draw the head. So we're going to go up with a curve right on top of the eye. And we're going to start to build the head. So let's come up. And then on this side, we're going to go down. So we're going to kind of follow the angle of this eye that you created. So from this point, we're just going to come down with a line. So that's going to be the start of the snout area. So let's bring this down a little bit more. And then let's come over back and forth. So about this area, let's come down with a curve. So we're just slowly building the head of the horse. So let's come down with this angle line now and come down and about right here. It's long enough. We'll start to round it off for the snout. So let's give it a little angle and bring it in with another angle. And so about right here, I'm going to start to angle it in, kind of like in where the mouth area is. And about right here, I'm going to bring it in with a little curve and straighten it out. So once again, that angle, so this is going to come out this way, about right there. And so in this area, kind of find where your point you started. We're going to come straight down. So about right here is where we're going to stop. And in this area, we're going to start to draw the jaw. So let's come right here with a curve. And we're going to bring it all the way up. So about right here, bring up the jaw. So bring up the curve. So that's the curve that you're trying to aim for. So just remember, this point and this point is pretty much aligned, and then just draw your snout in this area. So before we finish everything else, let's come back right here in this little curve area, and we're going to draw a little nostril. It's kind of like a little teardrop. And then right in this corner, let's add a little line, just a little bit for the mouth. There. Okay, so we have the basic head in. Now let's continue this line, this curve down. So we're just going to curve it around. Very nice, strong neck. So about right here, we're going to start the other side. And let's go back and forth and end it at the same level. From there, let's come back up here. We're going to draw the ears. So kind of like in this area, we're going to draw simplified ear. So it's just a curve and a curve. And right here next to it, the other ear. There. Now it makes a little bit more sense, right? Bring this out a little bit more. Okay, so from there, now let's start to draw the body. So I'm going to, now that we have this pretty much level, let's start to bring this curve down. And we're going to go back and forth, back and forth. So we've built the neck in. Now, but right there, I'm going to start to curve out. And you can bring this down a little bit more again. Just go back and forth. Okay, so about right there, I'm going to start to curve. And this curve is going to end about in the same level as this snout area. So let's bring this down. And about right there, I'm going to stop and curve down. So this side, let's bring us down. And we're basically just going to kind of create this little oval space right here for the body of our horse. So just remember that when you're drawing, it's just kind of like this oval. So let's bring this in. So once again, we're pretty much same level. Come in again, come down. Okay, so we've created kind of the body area. Then from there, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more for the legs. and bring this in a little bit more. Okay, so because I'm using a Sharpie, there's the front legs are right in this area. So I'm gonna stop right there and start the front legs first. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish this curve, and it's gonna come about right here. So let's say I'm gonna start about right here, kind of where the neck is. I'll come give myself a point right there, and I'm gonna start the front, just a little curve, and then I'm gonna come out of a curve, round it off, and come down. So then right here, let's build right here, curve it in, and bring another curve down. So from there, let's finish this curve first, so kind of know what's going on. So about right here, bring it down, it's being overlapped, and up. So like I said, you're just kind of creating this oval in this area. Okay, so from there, let's bring this down a little bit more, finish off the leg. So about right there, I'm going to give it a little angle for the hoof area and just connect there. Okay, so we have that in. Now it looks really weird, right? Okay, so then let's start with this back leg. So let's bring this in. And say about right in this area, we're going to start with a curve. This is going to be the back leg. And let's come out a little bit. And come in. And from there, in about this area, I'm going to come down with a curve. And bring this in, tapering it, and down. There, so now we have the back leg. Okay, so then now let's work on this side. We're going to come about right here with, it's kind of flush to the neck curve. We're going to come down with a curve. And about in this area. So we just kind of want to make sure the width is about the same as the other legs. So let's bring this down. And there's always a little step, so let's come about right here. Pop it out a little bit, but this line will be continuing down. And I'm just going to end it about the same level as the other side. So now to draw the other back leg right here. So we're going to kind of follow this curve that you've created, come about right here and draw a curve. And let's come about right here and draw another curve. And so then right here, we're going to once again point it out, come down, and continue this together. So I'm ending everything right here because there's going to be a wave of, there's water right here I'm going to be drawing, then I'll go in and finish the legs after I'm done with the water first. So, but before we do that, let's come back up and draw the mane of this horse. So I'm going to start about right here. And just remember, it is a magical water horse, right? So the mane, it's supposed to kind of look like water. So it's going to be very soft. So from there, let's start to build a mane back and forth all the way down here. So let's come about here. And I'm just going to start another one. And the ends are always going to be soft. Kind of like a drop of water. So that's what we're trying to aim to draw here. So nice and round. And maybe on this side, we're going to start to come down. Come in. And right here, we're going to bring it all the way into about right there. And then we can come in here and just draw some drops of water, splashes here and there, just to finish the look. So we're going to come inside and draw some drops as well, some highlights, big drop here. And that's pretty much it for this side. So then now let's draw the awesome tail. So once again, it's the same thing. Let's start about right here. And I'm going to start with a curve down, come out with our first little bubble of water. And then let's start to sweep the tail down, so it's a big curve. So about right here, I'm going to start the other side, just curve down. And on this area, let's see, bring in the curve. And we're going to start to end it. So let's see, about right here, draw another curve. Let's bring in a little one right here. And finish it off with a nice round one. There. And then once again, come inside and just drop a bunch of drops of water. One that comes out here maybe, and some over here. So we're just following the flow of the tail when we draw these drops. So maybe one right there. Okay, so then last thing right here on the horse, but in this neck area, we're going to create a line, a curve right here. Just an indication of the neck muscle area, just to give it some detail. Now we're pretty much done. Now let's draw that wave of water if you want to give your Nokk horse here a setting. So let's come right underneath. So the feet are going to come about right there. Let's start about right here. And I'm just going to draw a wave. First one, right under, and it's going to come up. So let's go up a little bit, right underneath this foot, and curve it out. And then bring in this wave right here, and draw a curve to finish it. So about right here, I'm just going to add another small one to complete it, and you can draw some curves right here for indication of the water. And some drops of water once again. Okay, so then let's finish off the feet. So whatever space you have left, just come in here and finish it off. So this one will continue down more of an angle. And this one right here, just finish it off. So there, hope I've inspired you to draw this magical water horse, and I've made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.